Hello everyone, welcome to X1 GSM alarm system instruction video. Today we will show you how to set exit entry delay time. Firstly, set the door sensor's jumper to delay zone, that is D1 and D3. Then set exit delay time to 10 seconds. Exit delay time setting successfully. Arm the system before you go out. The control bell will beep for 10 seconds. During the 10 seconds, when the door sensor is separated, the system will not alarming. You can go out without taking your remote control. Set entry delay time to 10 seconds. Entry delay time setting successfully. When you came back, the door sensor is separated. The control panel will beep for 10 seconds. It allows you have enough time to disarm the system.